Okay, this is the Lennox air conditioner. Right there is the motor. This is what it's like in the and right here is the cord. This is actually moisture, and that's the oil. And this is the oil holder. And it's a Lennox Dallas, Texas. And it's factory charge, 5 pounds and 4 ounces. And there's a freaking motor that's in a compressor. This is actually compressor oil. And here says Lennox. I'm going to show you the inside air conditioner Lennox. We have to go downstairs to do it. And there. See? This is the inside Lennox. Here's the air. That's the moisture. And the oil. These are the air tubes. This is the air pump. And right here is where they make the air and gas in the oil. And the oil and where it collects the moisture. And right there, can't see it in there, but right in there, where that little sticker is, that's where the motor is. And here's the tube that collects the air. And here we go back outside.